In this video, you'll learn how to create a courier and logistics website with tracking features using WordPress. This process will guide you through the steps necessary to set up your site effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once there, locate the option labeled Sites at the top of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the section where you can manage your WordPress sites. Next, look for the button that says Create with AI. This feature utilizes artificial intelligence to help streamline the website creation process. After clicking this button, allow a moment for the AI to load and prepare the necessary tools for you. After the AI is finished loading, you will see a prompt that states, "Make a website as unique as you." This message indicates that you are ready to start customizing your website's features. Take a moment to review this prompt before proceeding. Type in the text, "Create a courier and logistics website with tracking" into the designated field. This action will help the AI understand the specific focus of your website. Once you have entered the text, ensure to click on the Enter key to confirm your input. You will then be asked, what's the primary goal of your website? This step is crucial as it will guide the AI in designing the right homepage and calls to action for your site. Click on this prompt to proceed. At this point, a list of choices will appear for you to select from. Carefully read through these options and type in your selections based on your website's objectives. After making your selections, press Enter to continue. Next, you will see a message asking what name should appear as your site title in the browser tab. Here, you should enter the name of your courier and logistics brand, which will be displayed in the tab when users visit your site. Confirm your input by clicking Enter. You will then be prompted to type in the name of your app. This is an important step as it identifies your service. After entering the app name, remember to click Enter to proceed. Following that, you will see a message asking for a short tagline that should appear in search results and social previews. This tagline should describe your service succinctly. Enter your tagline and click Enter to confirm. The next step is to click Create My Site. This action signals the system to begin the creation process for your website. After this, you will see a message stating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that your site is being generated. Be prepared to wait a moment while the system processes your request. You may see updates such as generating your site or applied button styles as the website is being built. These messages confirm that progress is being made. As the system continues to work, you will receive notifications about applied fonts and color themes. Each message indicates that the design elements are being finalized for your site. Eventually, you will see a message indicating that the site is fine-tuning things. This means the final adjustments are being made, ensuring your the desired specifications. At this stage, it is essential to wait for your site to finish generating completely. This may take some time depending on the complexity of your design and current server load. Once the process is complete, you will receive a confirmation that your new courier and logistics website is ready for use. You can now explore its features and begin adding content as necessary. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.